How big tech companies are leveraging the Spring framework for enterprise software development. In the ever-evolving world of technology, big tech companies are constantly seeking innovative solutions to develop robust and scalable enterprise software that powers their operations. One popular tool that has gained widespread adoption in recent years is the Spring framework. Originally developed by Pivotal Software, now part of VMware, in 2003, the Spring framework has become a go-to choice for many tech giants such as Google, Amazon, Walmart, Meta, formerly Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and others. Let's explore how these companies are utilizing the Spring framework to build cutting-edge enterprise software. Google, known for its extensive use of Java, has incorporated the Spring framework into several of its projects. For instance, Google uses Spring Boot, a widely used module of the Spring framework, to build microservices-based applications that power various Google services. Spring Boot's ability to rapidly create standalone, production-ready Spring-based applications with minimal configuration allows Google to quickly develop scalable and efficient enterprise software. Amazon. As one of the world's largest e-commerce companies, Amazon relies heavily on the Spring framework for its enterprise software development. Amazon uses Spring to build complex applications that handle tasks such as order processing, inventory management, and payment processing. Spring's modular architecture and support for distributed systems enable Amazon to create scalable, fault-tolerant, and high-performance software that can handle millions of transactions per second, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for its customers. Walmart, a global retail giant, uses the Spring framework to build its enterprise software applications. Walmart uses Spring's features such as inversion of control, IOC, and aspect-oriented programming, AOP, to create modular and loosely coupled systems that are easy to maintain and extend. Additionally, Walmart leverages Spring MVC, Model View Controller, a powerful web framework provided by the Spring framework, to build robust and scalable web applications that power its e-commerce platforms and other business processes. Meta, formerly Facebook. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, uses the Spring framework extensively for building its enterprise software applications. Meta leverages Spring's features such as dependency injection, caching, and security to create highly scalable and performant applications. For example, Spring Security, a powerful module of the Spring framework, allows Meta to implement robust authentication and authorization mechanisms to protect its users' data across its platforms. Apple, known for its iconic hardware and software products, also utilizes the Spring framework for building its enterprise software. Apple uses Spring to develop back-end services that power its popular products such as iTunes, iCloud, and Apple Music. Spring's support for building distributed systems and its integration with other popular technologies such as Apache Kafka and Spring Data JPA enables Apple to create highly scalable and reliable back-end services that serve millions of users worldwide. Netflix, a leading streaming service provider, relies heavily on the Spring framework for its enterprise software development. Netflix uses Spring to build the back-end services that power its streaming platform, including customer billing, content recommendation, and user management. Spring's modular and scalable architecture allows Netflix to create highly resilient and fault-tolerant systems that are capable of handling large amounts of data and serving millions of concurrent users. In conclusion, big tech companies such as Google, Amazon, Walmart, Meta, formerly Facebook, Apple, and Netflix are leveraging the power of the Spring framework to develop enterprise software that powers their operations. Spring's features such as modular architecture, support for distributed systems, robust security, and ease of integration with other technologies make it a popular choice for building scalable, reliable, and high-performance applications. As technology continues to evolve, the Spring framework is expected to remain a key tool in the arsenal of big tech companies for developing cutting-edge enterprise applications. Hello everyone! Excited to announce my new online course on Spring Boot framework. If you're looking to enhance your Java development skills and learn about modern Java technologies, this course is for you. In this comprehensive course, you'll learn everything from object-oriented programming, OOP, concepts, collections frameworks, Spring Web MVC, JSP, JSTL, Spell, Spring Boot, Spring Security, REST APIs, Spring Data JPA, Hibernate, microservices, to deploying Java applications on the cloud. What sets this course apart is that you'll be learning from industry working professionals who have real-world experience in Java development. You'll gain practical insights and best practices that you can apply to your own projects. But that's not all. This course also includes hands-on practice with industry projects and mock interviews to prepare you for real-world scenarios. You'll be able to apply what you've learned in a practical setting and build a strong foundation in Java development. So, whether you're a beginner looking to start your Java journey or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, this course is for you. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from industry professionals and gain hands-on experience in Java development. Enroll now and join me in this exciting journey to master the Spring Boot framework.